Hello, Chef here. A valuable lesson for you on Japanese knife selection. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. All kinds of details pertaining to Japanese knives. First off, don't pick a knife by price. This one, you can guess at how expensive these are. This one's the most expensive. It's handmade by a master knife maker in Japan. You can't afford this. Doesn't matter. That's not even a concern, is the price. This is the least expensive. Doesn't matter. This one here is a 3-layer titanium Damascus style. This is also a Damascus style. I believe there's 3 layers with the core, super steel in here. So, and it's high carbon on the outside. This is a stainless alloy. I'm going to go over the weights here real quick. So you pick a knife based on size, shape, comfort of your hand. This one is awesome. This one weighs in at 4.25 ounces. This one has a nice feel and fit. This is a bit sharp here, a bit dangerous for most people. This one weighs 4.5 ounces, the cheapest of the 3. This one here, I've been using this one a long time. This is the Titanium by Kasumi. It's a 3-layer knife. It's razor sharp. It's been holding up for about 15 years. This one's going on 30 years, but it doesn't matter. By the way, it was made by Shinichi in Japan. This is the one I like the best out of the 3, but when you pick, don't go just by price. It's the balance, the feel, the fit, exactly what you're getting. Look, one finger, all right? Balance. This right here fits my hand perfectly. He made it for me. Hand measurements, height, size, weight, everything handmade. Also, I'd never sell it. This one here, economical, hollow handle, Japanese made, but it's like a stainless steel alloy, and it is made in Japan. It's your economical choice. This one's made in Japan, and good quality. I like it. I'll be back to test these knives out for you. Subscribe, watch the next video. Another review. Here we go. Japanese knives, what not to buy, right here. So I'll tell you why in about maybe 10 reasons why you don't want to buy this knife. It's shiny, it's flashy. That flash, that's what they're looking for there. Give you the flash. Okay, you can see the brand there. This is the kind of garbage you get on Amazon, all right? So this is like a $20 knife. However, there are people telling you it's Japanese and it's worth $50, $99, whatever the price, doesn't matter. Don't shop by price. The quality is mediocre. It's shiny, it's flashy, the rivets are not smooth, pack of wood handle's nice, full tang's nice. It sounds like aluminum foil. So this is stainless steel. This Japanese knife is stainless steel. And another thing here, nice balance. This one, let's give it a quick weight test. Yeah, that's what I thought. 5 ounces, that's what you're looking for. Nice knife. This one, almost 9 ounces. It's freaking huge. It's heavy. It's bulky. It's not very ergonomical. But, you know, if you're willing to go with a $20 knife, it's okay. But it's a China knife. Don't let anyone fool you and tell you, oh, it's Damascus, it's Japanese. By the way, this is not Damascus. This is a fancy pattern that's just been etched on here. It's not even welded. This is just an etching. Like it looks, I can't feel it. It looks like it's got layers. There's no layers there. But they'll still call it Damascus. So yeah, use your judgment. Buy the real deal. Get something made in Japan. And moving on to the next one. Oh yeah. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades. all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Buy the best the first time. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Wow! Get the best the first time. It's gonna be good. My spatula. Well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Ah. so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.